Okay, final flight at Red Lake 2023. Winds picked up in the afternoon here. I've got a Quest Icarus, famous because this is Rene Caldera's rocket of choice when he was developing the micro-hybrid way back in 1995 and 96. We got a mini-hybrid burning an ABS grain, so this will be an interesting grain test as well, with an Apogee altimeter for deployment. Let's hope that our igniter has better luck than most today. And out we go. We're using the Rocketry Works launch controller today. Let's see if we have continuity. Here we go. Going in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire. Out of here. Wow. Whoa. That's a ripper grain. Gotta shoot, I think. Looks like it. Wow. Holy moly. That was I think a 12-point star. There it goes. Gotta keep my eyes on that puppy. Heading south. Heading to Mexico. Oh my God. That was ripping. Okay. Okay, keep track. Keep track. Oh, that's going. Come on down, baby. Come on. Yeah, I think I'm gonna walk for it because I can see it. Whoa. Wow. That ABS grain, holy moly. I'll do a second video when I'm at the rocket.